thick, imagine. Look at that. This is how they sleep. They have different kind of houses. Let me call them houses, guys. They are partitions. Petitions. So each bird has where it sleeps. Look at that. We have two birds here sleeping together. And we have more over there. Yeah, there are so many. This is how it is built. It's actually very good design, very well designed, in a way that birds have where to play from. And if they want to sleep, maybe they want to get some warmth, they enter here and warm themselves inside there.